Hi, when was the last time you were at the circus? Today, I'm going to draw Pomni from the Digital Circus in 4 styles. Let's start with the classic Pomni look. For color, I use bright and matching posca markers: red, blue, yellow, brown. To make the image more realistic, I use light and dark shades, add light and shadow effects to the drawing. The next style is glitch, where Pomni will be transformed by digital distortion. First, we outline the outline of our drawing with a black marker. Then we choose a suitable shade of red and blue color. Red color, make a contour outline on the left, and blue, outline on the right. Then we add horizontal elements. Then take a white marker and, as if erase our drawing in the places you have chosen. This process is necessary to create a sense of digital instability and failure. The next style is drip. Here I will play with textures, creating a sense of Pomni melting or spreading, as if it were melting when exposed to paints or liquids. Finally, the next style is glow. Step 1, outline our image well, pressing in a little. Step 2, take a black marker and paint over the place where we will create the glow effect. Step 3, choose a color. I use light colors of posca markers. Thank you for spending time with me. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss new videos.